Well, I don't care what you believe, what you think, or what you say, or if you find this to be very stupid, annoying, or immature. But I think what Liz did, calling out her cheating boyfriend out on social media in front of so many people, that was such a good thing she did. I wish I did that 1.5 years ago when I found out that my boyfriend was cheating on me right on his birthday party that I threw for him. And no, it wouldn't have served my ego because I was hurting that time. My world shattered that time. But you know what would it have done? Protected somebody becoming a victim like me again. Many people getting to know that cheating is very common these days. That there are sweet guys like him out there who are going to, in their lies, in their manipulation, and you're just gonna think, why me? I know I'm not gonna call him out right now as well. It's whole history. But you know what? That little bit of humiliation for like a day or an hour or just for a moment, तो भी कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ना अच्छा लगता. For the hurt he has given me, maybe I would have felt good. अच्छे इंसान बनने में ना कुछ नहीं रखा हुआ है. Let's just be, what do you wanna call? I still cannot believe that woman got cheated. That woman. I was just beginning everything in my life when everything turned around. Well, I believe calling out your cheating ex-boyfriend is a very good thing. You might as well saving some other girl from all the trauma that he's going to put on her as well. Exactly a year and a half ago, I got cheated by my boyfriend, my ex-boyfriend, on his very birthday. And I chose to be the good girl, the decent girl, and not make a fuss about it right at that moment of the birthday party that I threw. Self-respect? Zero. Self-love? Zero. I realized all of that while I was crying and simping over him for like 2-3 months. Fucked my social life, fucked up my so many things except the part of auditions. But hey, again, my social media was doing so good. I had the reach of like 9 to 15 millions. Going from 10k till it reached till 20k and I'm still stuck there. I'm not cribbing and complaining and putting all the blame on him because the blame is on me because I knew. Deep down, my intuition knew that he is a walking red flag, that he will be hurting me. I had that feeling in my bone, in my nerve, but I chose to ignore it. Why? Now, many of you might not agree to my thinking, and I honestly don't give a crap about it. And now I'm not gonna do it after 1.5 years. But I think cheaters should be called out just to protect good women like us because there are women like those women who like getting attention from guys who are already committed. Or maybe they might not know that the guy is committed, but still, even after knowing, they like chill and okay to be friends with them. Or the woman who knows that this guy has a girl and still chooses to be with them. Those are the toxic people we need to be away from. But good people who suffer like us need to know who are that type of people. That is what I believe. आई फील लाइक मुझे उस टाइम पे अच्छी लड़की बनने की क्या जरूरत थी. इतनी तो अच्छी मैं थी कि वो मुझे चीट करके चला ही गया. Why did I not call him out for the cheater he was? And why did I entertain him and was so sweet to him even after that? How stupid of me. I know a lot of you might think, why do this immature thing and kiddish thing? I don't feel that she did anything that was immature and kiddish. And if you feel that way, well, that's your opinion and I respect that. But I don't give a shit about it because it does not align with mine. There is always an option of leaving the other person. If you're not happy with them and if you're feeling like you want to go here and there, just leave them alone. Now, I won't be able to trust on anybody. If I'll be with anybody, I'll be prepared कि भाई ये बंदा मेरे को cheat कर सकता है. Even in my near future, if I'm dating the guy that I like right now, or if I'm dating somebody else, or I'm married to somebody else, I'll still be prepared to get cheated on because you know what, people are cheating these days and it's a very normal thing of them to do. I am not gonna put myself through that misery again and again and again. And you know what, if you are getting cheated, just know that it's not your fault. It's just on them, on their values and how low of a life they are. Because let me cut the crap to you, a real man or a real woman is never going to cheat on their person. And if they don't like you, they would entertain you, or maybe they would just right away dump you and go with somebody else. If that's the case, they will not cheat on you. And I know हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कौन cheater है कौन नहीं. हमारे अंदर यूनिवर्स ने पावर दिया है which is called instincts. Go with your instincts. If your instinct says इसका किसी के साथ कुछ चल सकता है तो चल सकता है या चल रहा होगा. If your instinct says that he is lying to you about certain things, ask for proof. Ask for bloody proofs. That's it. I'm very nonchalant right now. Even if I'll be with somebody, I won't be depending myself on them. I won't be clenching my happiness on them. मुझे कोई घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि वो क्या कर रहा है, किसके मुंह में मुंह डाल रहा है और क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं, मतलब ऑब्वियसली मुझे हर्ट होगा, बट देन मैं अपने आप को ऐसा कर चुकी हूँ ना, तो मेरी जिंदगी किसी भी लड़के के इर्द गिर्द कभी नहीं घूमेगी। थोड़ा अक्ल अब भी बचा हो तो लेकर आओ, और अपने दिमाग से ना पति परमेश्वर, मेरा बंदा ही सब कुछ है, ओ माई गाय इज एवरीथिंग, आप सिर्फ खुद को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो बाय बीइंग समबडी हु इज लाइक सो स्ट्रांग विद इन, हु इज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर ऑल दोस थिंग, कि अगर वैसा कुछ हो ना तुम्हारे नजरों के भी सामने, तो भी तुम्हारी जिंदगी बर्बाद ना हो, तो भी तुम टूट के बिखर ना जाओ, बिकॉज ये सारी चीजें जिंदगी में होती रहेगी, होगी ही।